This video shows how Blueprint helps Copilot agents extract untapped value from a company's existing RPA estate to instantly and significantly expand agent capabilities. Let me show you how. Here I am in Copilot Studio. I have a number of agents. This is one called the shipping agent. I only have one tool at the moment, which is to divert a shipment, and the topics are pretty much those that just come out of the box. Before I spend time trying to develop new tools, I want to use Blueprint to search my RPA estates to see if I already have some automations that we've invested in that deal with shipping. So to do that, I go over to Blueprint. I just use Blueprint's chatbot and just ask it that very question. Do any automations deal with shipment? And it's identified a few. I'm just going to pick the first one, which is obvious, get shipment status. I'll open it up in a new tab. And of course, cancel shipment looks interesting. The other one I'll investigate later. But looking at the first one, it is an automation we have in PAD. The other one is an automation we have in our A360 estate. So I could spend time in both of these looking at all the information that Blueprint provides me. I could also, back in the chatbot, do some exploration here. It's ID 19 and ID 80. I'll look at 19 first. And I could look at the Copilot agent description that Blueprint automatically generates for me. Let's say after all this due diligence, I indeed would like to add it to the agent. I just click Add to Agent, pick the agent that I want to add it to, which is the shipping agent. It's a desktop flow, so I got to pick a connection reference and say to Blueprint, go ahead and hook that up for me. And it's done. If I hit see the list again, and then this time I want to look at number 80, its Copilot description did not exist, so it prompts me, do I want to make one? I'll say sure. And with that done, I review it and say I'd like to add this A360 to Copilot. Again, pick the agent. And this time, to configure Copilot to use an A360 automation, we need to provide a predefined environment variable, which I have set up, which is basically the information needed to connect. I say go, and Blueprint is configuring that as well. So with that done, we head over to Copilot. And now there's been a couple of tools added. Not only can it divert a shipment, but it now can get shipment status and cancel shipment. Not only did it add those tools, but it added topics to help the agent decide when to use those particular tools. All that being said, I can literally try it out. So going to the test area, I can now ask a question that the agent could not answer only moments ago. Where is my package? So straight away, I can see the agent's now smart enough to invoke this Get Shipment Status tool, and it's asking for information it requires to use that new tool, like my name, customer ID, and the order number. With that provided, it's off and running. So it's going to invoke the PAD desktop automation, which does a number of things, one of which is I know it opens up a spreadsheet at some point to get some information, and we will see that Excel spreadsheet pop up in the icon tray at the bottom. And there it is. So it got the information it needed from there, finishing up its processing. And it tells me that my package is in Dallas, and I'll get it in approximately 12 days. That's way too long for me, so I'm just going to cancel this shipment. You can see the A360 bot running in the bottom right corner, and it confirms the shipment's been canceled and says I'm going to be getting an email to that effect, which just arrived in my inbox, and there it is. Today, it takes time to find the best use cases for agents, to create and define that agent, and then incrementally build out the tooling that the agent needs to do its work. As we just saw in the demo, ready-made tools from the RPA estate can be discovered, defined, and deployed instantly. After that, incrementally build out the rest of the desired tooling. Net result is agents with more capability faster. What I showed started with an existing agent and extends it with ready-made tools. What we're building now is the ability to create new agents from existing RPA estates. Our approach is based on finding groups of automations with strong functional cohesion. We then automatically create and configure a new Copilot agent based on that and, like before, equip it with ready-made tools. So today, as shown in the demo, Blueprint accelerates agent development by equipping them with ready-made tools from your RPA estate. And coming in a future release, Blueprint creates the agents themselves. This accelerates agent development even more by extracting value from what the company already has. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, contact us at info@blueprintsys.com.